I've been involved with TDSI since 2003, and when I came into access control, people were saying that the shelf life of an access control system was 7 to 10 years. For some customers and some market segments, it's still about the same, but technology is moving so quickly that timeline is shortening, but it's not shortening for the whole system necessarily. Certain aspects of the system, the technology is moving, and so you'd need to be able to look at, is the core of my system capable of accepting new technology-driven elements, and I don't have to replace everything. We're seeing an awful lot more of that. So adding new reader technology, but not having to throw the controllers away, or new readers and new functionality. So it's a reader change and maybe a software upgrade, but the rest of the system, can stay, pretty much stay the same. You need to work with installers that have got a track record, that have been in the industry a long time, know what it is they're doing, have the technical expertise and capabilities to stay on top of moves and changes in the industry, and those integrators need to be working with manufacturers that are the same, that invest an awful lot of their turnover back into product development, just like we do here at TDSI and the Vitamatech Group.